Well, hey! He's right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, Juanita! Look, they're right here!
That was awesome. Hey, peeps.
What happened, Juanita? Huh? There's the washer. What happened, Juanita? What did you do?
I whacked my head because I'm down here laughing at Mike.
Knocked yourself out there.
So we got to take the panel off.
Why do we have to take this panel off? You should probably explain.
Yes, well, our gas gauge doesn't work. It did, and then all of a sudden it quit working. So we looked at it above, and it isn't up above.
This has to come out further.
So Mike has decided that it's got to be on top of the fuel tank, which we think is that panel. We're trying to remember.
Oh, yeah.
So he's gonna see if it's on the top of the fuel tank. He says that's where it has to be an issue. Because again, we can't tell if our tank is full or not. Okay.
Hello?
Anybody home?
Seems pretty full.
I don't think that's the best way to tell when we're out sailing.
Dang. Okay. You gotta get out, because I gotta take this out. It has to come out a little bit more.
Oh, this is where it becomes funny. Okay.
Don't hit your head again.
I know. Come on out, Mike.
You've already had enough traumatic brain injury.
Oh my goodness. We need a bigger garage, guys.
I don't know why you want to film this.
Because I was laughing.
However,
because as he moves this cushion and he goes to get back on it, he just kind of rolls down.
what the hell? What is it, man? Oh, something's back here.
I'm so sorry.
You know I had to be Gumby. Mold myself like a pretzel.
You do a great job of it, sweetie pies. Oh my goodness. Okay, so
Wow.
here he goes, man.
I gotta go back in. Can we get this thing out of the way? Why you gotta bring this in? Why?
It wasn't a problem before. Oh my goodness.
I'm thicker than this. Just saying.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Are you even filming towards me?
Yes, I think so.
You think so?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, hold on.
My screen went blank, so I have no idea.
Okay.
Alrighty.
I don't know. You were filming this way over here.
Oh my gosh.
Showing this our great seal.
Oh yeah, for real.
Diaper.
Diapers here. Diapers work great when you're not at the boat and it's going to be a little wet.
Okay. I got to come out a little bit more.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh.
I'm telling you, I look like one of those guys from what movie? 16 Candles.
Oh, that's right. That's right. The geeks. Oh.
I think I'm showing my age.
Yes, you are.
Going in.
Going in.
Diving deep.
Ow, son of a biscuit eater.
Did you hit your head again?
Yes. You and your bright ideas, man.
Why we gotta do this at night? Oh my goodness.
Roll on down, man.
Oh.
Ay, ay, ay.
It's a good thing Abu's not here.
I know.
Cause he'd be right here.
He would be. Licking your face.
He'd be like, Abu,
Ay.
it's not gonna work with you here.
Okay. Okay, well, we will let you guys know what happens. Okay, what's the problem?
Are you filming?
Yes.
I don't know what the problem is. I don't have enough room. That's what the problem is.
So. Did you look on top of the tank yet? Don't blind me.
Okay, so look what someone did. You see this? Hold on.
What's that?
This wire.
Yeah.
Okay. They wrapped it around.
What the hell?
It is wrapped around this hose.
Is that fuel?
This is the wire, yeah. That
Oh, Will.
is
Fudge butts.
probably the ground wire.
Gotcha. Okay, we'll let you guys know what's going on in a moment.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Mike said this. He found it.
I found it. I found it. I can fix it. Yes, I can. Let me show you what's going on.
Hey, at least you're doing the floor. That's what you're filming.
Bang head. Okay. All right. You see that little nut right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's loose.
So you just gotta tighten it. That's the issue.
I believe so.
You're joking me.
Nope, no joking.
Well,
All joking aside, I think that's what it is.
that it's not hitting the wires.
Not hitting the wires. The wire is really loose. I thought the wire was corroded, so I grabbed a hold of the wire, and I see, I'm like, the wire feels like it's coming off. But that's because it's really loose, and I could almost take it off.
Gotcha. So what do I need to hand you?
So I just need to tighten that. So just want to show the world, and hopefully that fixes it. We'll let you know.
Okay. So, Mike.
All this time.
Mike thought he fixed it. He didn't fix it. It wasn't the issue. So now he's got to try to get out of there. You can do it, man. You can do it. Come on. Don't hit your head. I'm telling you, boats are not made for big people.
I don't think boats are made for little people either.
Me either.
Man.
You can do it, man. You can do it. Don't hit your head. Yay! Woohoo! You're out. So now where do you think it is?
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, that screw, that whole thing was just loose.
Did you tighten it?
I tightened it.
I don't know what
I
it
was
was.
like, that's gotta be it. Because it was working, and then it just bloop, and then it worked, and then bloop, and then
It hasn't come back on yet.
and then it hasn't come back on. So it's like, okay, well, that's a loose connection. Well, that's a loose connection.
Apparently not.
Maybe there's another loose connection somewhere in my head. Sell the boat. Sorry, the fuel gauge doesn't work. but it does have a brand new roller furler.
Watch out for the cords on this side.
And you have water. We didn't have water.